Okay, so naapatas diri asa multiplying or multiplication of algebraic expressions or multiplication of binomial, alright? Binomial meaning two-term algebraic expression, okay? Napata diha. So, one is using FOIL method na ako nang gi-show sa imo unsaon to. Unya also you have some practice exercise to make. I already sent you. Please answer that and send me your answers, okay? Human sa FOIL method, we can also use what they call special products formula. Mo na ni siya. Usa sa mga topic nga magiingon. We can also use this formula, special product. Actually, this is formula. Okay? But, di man anak nga, you can always use FOIL pag mag-simplify ka, expand or mag-simplify ka og binomial, okay? You can always use FOIL. Pero, naalay mga formula nga nakita nila nga kanang pwede na i-shortcut. Di na kinahanglan pa nga mo go through pa ka ato mga mga methods. So, they formulated this formula kini. So, kailangan nimo ni siyang memorizon. Okay? Number 1 is the difference of square. So, pag ingon ani day mo makita, expanded form ni siya. X plus B times X minus B, automatic ingon ani na answer. Kung imo ni siyang i-resolve, pinagi sa FOIL, mugawas ingon ani. Dayon, we have perfect square trinomials. Dili ko sure kung i-apply sa imong maestro karon nga time kay trinomial naman ni. Ang inyong topic is I think really binomial pa man. But you can also memorize this, okay? Memorize on jud nimo nya. Kung di pa nimo ma-memorize, sorry sa akong kukuhugo kayo. Kung di pa nimo ma-memorize, anda mga kudig-udan, isulat ning ginagmay. Maka nang ibot nang sa place nga dali ra nimo masiplatan kay in case makalimot ka. Okay? So you can use this formula. These are what they call the special products formula. Okay? Para ra ni siya sa pag-multiply og binomial. Binomial is what? Two-term algebraic expression. Okay? So, gawas sa FOIL method, we can also use a special product formula. They are three. Number 1 is the difference of square, and another one is two more perfect square trinomials, which is this one. Okay, a plus b square and a minus b square. If it is a plus b square, automatic expanded form is ing ani. And if it is a minus b square, expanded form is ingon ani. So, ang pangutana nimo karon wa ko kasabot mamang anong ingon ana man. So, mo siguro na imong pangutana. So, let us find out more about it. So, ganito, difference, special product formula, right? Special product formula. Nindot na isulat daan kay di ko magkuan. Di ko magkurog-kurog. Okay, unsa ang una? Difference of square. Difference of square ko no is a plus b, a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. Ana daw. Let us see if this is true. Okay? Ato ning gamitan og FOIL method. This one. A plus b times a minus b. FOIL, first term, a square. Outer term, plus ab. Ginaga-multiply ta ha. Inner term, I. Oh, and this one is minus because this is A times negative B. And this one is plus AB. B times A, yeah? Then, last term plus B squared. So, negative, positive, we can cancel them out. Now, we have A squared plus B squared left. Oh, I made a mistake here. This one's supposed to be negative. Negative B, positive B times negative B is negative B squared. So, what we should have here is negative. So, this is proving that this is correct. Okay? This one is using FOIL method. So, wala, to get rid of this long distribution, multiplication, nag-automatic na lang nilag ingon ani. So, unsa man na nato pag-apply kani nga formula. Okay, so for example, makakita kag ingon ani sa problem. X square minus 9. Pangutana, simplify. So, kung tanaw na to, x square. Di ba kining x square is the same as a square? Unya, difference of square minus ni kaning 9, di man na siya square. But, kung imo naon, you can actually square 9 because 3 square is equal to 9, isn't it? Yeah, 3 square is equal to 9. How? 3 square. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Therefore, you can factor 9. You can actually write it this way. X squared minus 3 squared. Isn't it? So, unsaon naman na, expand na to na, di na ta mag distribute. Automatic na to katong formula. Pag-expand, A minus difference of square, okay? A minus B equals A plus B. So, ang atong A in this case is X. Ang atong B in this case is 3. Alright? So, A is X plus 3. Sakto ba kaha ni? Let us see using FOIL method. So, muna ni may expanded form. Pero, to check lang kung sakto ba ni using FOIL method. First, x square outer plus 3x inner I minus 3x last L negative 9. Okay, so we have here x square plus 3x minus 3x, you can cancel out, minus 9. Okay, so we came back to this. Therefore, sakto atong answer. Nga ang expanded form aning x square minus 9 is x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay? So, inana ang pag-apply sa difference of square na formula. This is, unsa ni, special product formula.